I'm Phil, I review software, just back from my holidays. Do you know what? I'd have rather stay here and made videos. Seriously, I enjoy these more than going on holiday. The place was too hot, there was no air conditioning. Yeah, there was a beach and some sea, but... and no one drank beer. Maybe that's just an English thing where we drink beer. Enough of me. E-commerce is what we're talking about today. And lots of different e-commerce solutions. What do we mean by e-commerce? We mean setting up your online shop. It might be for a business you've already got or for a business idea. The big boys like Shopify, yeah, they're great and you can do a lot with them, but high monthly subscription and high fees for transactions. And we're going to look at a different one today called Dukaan, which claims you can set up your online store in 30 seconds. So we are just going to jump straight into it and have a look at their site. So here we go. This is their webpage. Quite good to look at this because it shows you some of the other businesses that are using Dukaan. And you can see straight away that, yeah, looking at those designs, you can set up a good design and a good looking e-commerce store with this software. It says you can launch it very fast. It's fully responsive. Your website, you can scale quickly. It's got all of the inventory management. You can do global shipping. You can do all of the things that you need. And they are always good to have some social proof, because here are some of the companies like Spalding. I've heard of them. They do golf stuff, don't they? Colmate, not heard of, but big companies are using Dukaan. So it's not just like a newbie. That is the Dukaan site. So just pause for a second while we go into the dashboard. And once you put in your details, I've set up Phil Review Software. This is the dashboard you come in. It says, congratulations, you've already set up your store. So the first thing we're going to look at is the sites and how customizable they are. And all right, if you look at this and you go, oh, there's not many themes there. But all of these, you can change them. You can customize them. So at the moment, our active theme is Oxford. If I click on Customize, I can adjust the theme. We can have a look at a couple more of these. Let's have a look at Leo. Preview Leo. There is the Leo theme. The Matrix theme. The Matrix. Fashion theme. Let's use that Leo theme. Quite like the look of that. So we click Apply. And now that becomes our theme. So the active theme is the Leo. And you can always try these and change these and swap it between them as you're making your store to find the best one for you. Customize your theme. You can add the image for your store. You can pick the actual color scheme for your store and the favicon for your store. And then once you've customized your theme and you're happy with it, there is the active theme. You can decide what kind of pages you want. So you add a new page to your shop. This will be software on sale. And you can add the content, blah, blah, blah. And sorry, I know these are brief videos, but this is just an overview. And then publish that page. And that will be your page with software on sale. And then if you look at that, that will be the starting point for your actual page. I'm not coming at it as an expert who already knows what he's doing. What I'm trying to do is save you some time so that you can quickly just go through the overview. Is it worth you downloading this software? Is it worth you considering possibly a lifetime deal for it or not? So it just saves you time having to log in, register, do all this yourself. Sometimes if I really know what I'm talking about, I'll do it in-depth reviews. And down the left, the things that matter. You've got your orders. So once someone orders a product, it will be appearing on here. Obviously, I've not got any because I'm not going to try and blag ahead and say I've set up a store with this. I'm just showing you. You can set up all of your deliveries. So it's a Shippo account they use. So I'm imagining that if you use Shippo, that plugin, you'll be able to deal with all of the major shipping companies around the world. You can add all of your products, add a new product, and you can see when you add a product, you can either import it from Shopify. You can add your product images up to 8. You can say how many products you've got in the inventory, how many are available. You can set the shipping and tax and all the different variants, e.g. different colors for the products. It will be able to analyze once you get orders, your total sales, how many sales a day you're getting, what the average order is, all of that kind of stuff. You can set up your payments. Always handy to know that you can take PayPal payments, Stripe, or cash on delivery for your store. There are lots of other tools available with it. So you can create QR codes. You can make your own app, generate invoices and descriptions. You can remove the background for pictures. That's a new thing that's just been added. Always handy if you're trying to take a photo and then take the background out for the picture that displays on your store. You can set up and create discount coupons, and you can manage your customers and the database. And just to look as well, the last thing to show you is there are a lot of plugins. We talked about Shippo there for the shipping, but you can add your Facebook pixel, say that carefully there, your AdWords conversion tracking. You can integrate MailChimp if you want to do mail shots, and lots and lots of plugins that you can use. So I know this is a very quick review and just an overview of starting out with, I forgot the name of it. I hope you love my videos. I forgot the name, Dukaan. So that is the brief overview of Dukaan. Let's jump back to me. Would I recommend it? Looking through it, so the pros and cons. It looks like it does everything that the major e-commerce stores do. You can set up everything you want. Criticisms, some of the themes, well, it looks like there's not a lot of themes, and it doesn't look like you can do too much customization. But what I suggest you do with this one is have the 7-day free trial, try it out. You don't have to try it out for the full 7 days. Run through it, see if it is suitable for your business and it has everything it needs. And then click on my link, because it's the lifetime deal link at the moment. If that deal's expired, it'll always be a great discount link. And that way you can try it out. You go, yeah, Dukaan works for me. I don't have to spend so much a month on Shopify, because Shopify is like $30 a month. I can use Dukaan. I can buy it for one price and use it forever. So would I recommend it? Yeah, if you've got an online business, looks like it is a online e-commerce solution that does everything, and it's probably growing. Let's be honest, it looks like it's quite a new solution provider, although they have got some big clients, but it looks like it's growing and more features will be added as you go. So do subscribe to my channel. I hope you understand why some of my videos are in depth and some of them are just brief like this, because at the moment there's a lifetime deal price and I want to get the deal out there to you. So hopefully you'll appreciate that and realize. Do comment below, tell me what you think. Are these videos where I don't really go into them a waste of time, or do you think it's helpful just to give you a quick overview? And I will see you for another video next time.